Hello, and the Bible solve Leetcode 347, right? We no say my array and numbers womb. Into almost say numbers no. You share the top k elements. It's based in the top two. You see one and two, right? One and two in the top two. Into no, there are different ways a bit to solve a question, right? But the Bible use heap heap data structure. Heap data structure no. Your main heap and your max heap, right? And see, right? And finally, say main heap no like from lowest to highest, right? The 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, right? BBC. In this area, because I am Fabia or the 3 become 1, right? Because of the 3 count 1 or the 3 counts here. Mean heap no, very adjusted, right? Very adjusted anyway. G3 no. We train no ahwehwe bibia a train betuma hye e wo sa arewe no the train wa be hye right into a self organizing and ankasa hye no ho ye the same max heap no so betuma be 8 7 3 2 0 right into because if you are the one I can one the one can one many people be hye say oh one dey o say be hye right because what the 5 will can one meaning we write share no as 05 there or say right sanet here and now person representing main heap so tree data structure right all the node behind the children should have values that are either equal to or greater right and any main heap the same for max heap also right max heap also node behind values no either smaller and I say equal to it right C and I mean heap way. This approaching the other so question way. Which a question on my example be say numbers near 1 1 1 right 2 2 and 3 right into no we know almost see into be I fan say the fancy a tally right your what unique numbers on where 1 you 2 and you 3 right 1 woman 1 1 woman 1 beam and a 1 beam sound was in tier 3 right 2 woman back 2 sound woman back beam and a 3 woman back in 2 shot in a say 1 woman 3 2 woman 2 and a 3 woman 1 right and you know senka sisiano and a yeah bit a form bit a dictionary right it is our values we are 1 3 2 2 and 3 1 way you bet me they share heap more na heap no you're sorting by the frequency no right it is you're sorting by frequency na fi they are printing numbers way right it mean heap no there in fact say kb 1 na first 3 na first the 3 shame right because 3 na way we are near the 2 so our be shame near the 1 our be shame right so number no so China right say be a see a 2 pe see a 2 pe right near the trash near the infant say see a 2 pe we say no k ni 2 k is equal to 2 it definitely na way anyway right anyway but senka be a ye de miensa we nyina yi one dey heap ni ma na sort by frequency first one become here 1 second one become here 2 but see assign the bio mu kwa shame right na say so de that you be copy the smallest na e wo mu ye be here free right into no and basically no you be create key value pair of number and the frequency if you are near the shame mean heap no rank sabe sort ya my in the number of increasing by frequency we are near represented you're printing out numbers no right basically that is all we are going to do because heap data structure nankasa de and one kasa sort no and until na heap data structure no ebia O of n log n, right? Tibia we by the number of lists. You say a list near you share the number of integers, and I will see the number of integers, number of elements, right? And in this case, no, and the number of elements, right? Nti yanko share the way to my solving. It's a very simple solution, but I was make it clear some explaining here. Nti first, you create a heap data structure, right? Now here, see the count of each element in the list. Now you need to use to counter, right? Nums. This is a counter. Into for each number and the frequency, right? In the printed number and the frequency. Now you use to counter. So counter dot items. Items be printed number and the frequency now, right? Items with S, right? In CCR, any list we are able to convert a list into a heap or a priority queue data structure. Say you use heap queue. Into the you say heap queue dot heap. Say person push we be into heap. I will say heap push, right? Now for the why heap, right? You see the value pair, right? Frequency and number, right? Frequency and number. Here, first element is what I ever sorted by, right? But say if the length of the heap abro number na everything in fancy key we are, right? Let's see a puppet, the smallest na a woman, right? The smallest frequency in a woman, I see if you smallest frequency woman, you be free because abroso, right? See Bianca, you 3 in yenya, you fit this year, you fit 2 in yenya 3. I see you the smallest frequency in the 3 way frame, right? And one you be into another heap q dot heap pop. So person delete with my pop, right? And the heap in quantity take it because you pop the smallest frame. Into we are, I see you code through BBI we are near you. Into the only thing is a very tiny, only the values, only the numbers, right? Into you're returning num for dash because we don't really care about frequency no. Num number in heap, right? Then just say in the rest of the question, the way never printing numbers no why I'm printing frequency no. Yes, my see we are heap pop heap q my say q no. It's so heap q no a converting any list into a priority queue in Python, right? Okay, all right. It say any solve sub question way with n log n, O of n log n, right? And that's it. Bye bye.